What's up guys? What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Nathan Benigno and we'll be going camping with my family and you guys will come with me. I think it's in Cultus Lake and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I have no idea what to say. Nice. I hope you guys will let's go. So right now we're just waiting for my parents because they're getting something from my cousin's house. And look what's beside me, all my stuff. But we're on our way to Cultus Lake. It's just gonna take some time.
A few inches later.
Don't wanna hear you say
Masayo ko naman yung ganyang song.
What kind of song is that?
Masayo ko.
Red mode. You guys are swimming tomorrow? I might stay.
Yes.
I might.
Oh, good timing. We're making s'mores.
Making s'mores?
We didn't even start yet. Come on.
So we're here. Ready? Oh, roasting marshmallows. Nice. Can't even.
Tara.
It's so hot. I can't.
My hand is hurting.
I know. I can't even get near it.
Just for the aesthetics, just take the one.
I know. Me too. Say hi, Zaira. So guys, we're going swimming. I think it's, what time is it? I don't know.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock p.m. But we're still going swimming.
Because the water's gonna be warm.
Yes. Wow, Zaira. Wow. Nice outfit. Say hi. Hi. Wow. Another pose. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bam. Last one. Wow. So guys, we're going to swim there. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And there's basketball. I should have brought my basketball if I have one. There's volleyball there. Oh, look at that. So guys, we just finished swimming and right now it's 10. Look at the view. It's still bright and it's so pretty. You guys done? Hello. Your dad is showering right there.
The next morning.
So good morning guys, it's 6 a.m. and I'm the only one awake. And it's pretty cold outside. I forgot to bring my jacket. And look, I'm the only one who's awake right now. Nice. I'm the only one. You're all asleep. I forced myself to wake up because I just wanted to see the view. I'll show you.
Ooh la la.
That's the view in the morning. There's no sun yet, so I'm gonna do a time lapse. So I'm gonna be here quite some time. It's really cold. This is not a jacket. It's just a shirt with a hood. Okay. So I've been here for about 40 minutes trying to do the time lapse there, but it's too bright right now. sun is almost out. As you can see, I'm getting warmer and warmer, but I'm pretty cold right now. Oh, sorry about my looks, guys. I forgot my hat. Yeah, I did that. So right now we're going to play basketball.
No, because that's
These kids,
kid.
yeah you are. You're a kid. Just kidding. You're my cousin. So what's up, guys? So right now it's 4, I think, and we're about to swim even though it's so hot. But look at the view. So nice. So let's go.